Sure. Imagine your skin as a precious cloth that needs special care after each wash. Toner is that magic product that restores your skin to its juice and harmful, and prepares it for the impossibility of continuing to care for your skin. Why do you need a toner? It brings the consideration back to the calculation of its normal consumption. Daily washing shampoo can upset the balance, making a person dehydrated and contribute. The toner helps fight this sweat and protects the skin's natural barrier. Result of loss and residual impurities. Even after cleaning the face, some losses and impurities may persist in Texas. Toner perfectly cleanses the skin and leaves the skin clean and sterile. They contain the narrowing of pores from the appearance of blackheads. Some types of toners contain ingredients that help shrink the size of pores and prevent the appearance of black wrinkles in them, which requires the appearance of blackheads. Life confirms the acceptance of other products. Toner helps to open the pores of humans, and I create them more in the creativity of the creams and serums that I used after it, increasing their effectiveness. Gives the skin moisture and radiance. A lot of toners contain moisturizing and antifreeze ingredients that nourish the skin and make it brighter and fresher. Does the toner suit me? Yes, toner suits almost all color types, but the right one should be chosen for your skin type and shapes. There are types of toners available for everyone: thin-skinned, tanned, and multi-skinned. Advice: use toner first of all after washing the face and in the evening sleep. A toner can be applied to a cotton swab and applied to the face and neck. Choose an alcohol-free toner if the skin is sensitive. A dermatologist if you have any skin problem before using any new product. In short, toner is a step forward in skincare and is irreplaceable for healthy and supple skin.